Starting a manufacturing company might seem like a big mountain to climb, but with the right steps, it can be a rewarding journey. Today, we're breaking it down into bite-sized pieces to help you get started. First things first, you need a solid business idea. What's your passion? What can you bring to the market that's unique or better than what's already out there? Once you've got your idea, it's time to dig into some research. Look at what your potential competitors are doing and figure out how you can stand out. This step will help you understand the landscape and pinpoint your target audience. Next, you'll want to draft a business plan. Think of it as your roadmap. It should outline your goals, strategies, and how you plan to make money. Don't worry about making it perfect from the start. It's a living document that you can tweak and adjust as you go. You'll also need to think about funding. Whether it's dipping into your savings, getting a loan, or finding investors, having enough capital is crucial. Just be sure to explore all your options and choose what works best for you and your business. Now, on to the nitty-gritty. Legal requirements. You'll need to choose a business structure, like a sole proprietorship or an LLC. This choice affects everything from your taxes to your personal liability, so it's an important decision. Fortunately, legalregistration.com can help simplify this process for you. Once you've got the legal stuff out of the way, it's time to find a location. Whether it's a large warehouse or a small workshop, your manufacturing space should fit your needs and budget. Don't forget to consider factors like proximity to suppliers and customers. One often overlooked aspect is sustainability. Being eco-conscious can be a huge advantage. Consider using energy-efficient equipment or sourcing materials from sustainable suppliers. Not only can this lower costs in the long run, but it can also help you attract environmentally conscious customers. Then comes the fun part, getting your equipment and hiring your team. Your equipment needs will depend on what you're making, but remember to balance cost with quality. As for hiring, look for people who share your vision and bring the skills you need to the table. Finally, think about how you'll market your products. Having a strong online presence is key. Social media, a great website, and maybe even some online ads can get you started on the right foot. There you have it, the basics of starting a manufacturing company. Remember, every big business started somewhere. Take it one step at a time and use the resources available to you. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, the #1 online incorporation service provider. You can visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for all your business formation needs. Good luck and happy manufacturing!